Okay, sit. Zoe, you can come up. Good boy, Alex. Down. Nikki, down. Zoe, come. Zoe, come. Hey, no, you stay, Alex. You stay. Zoe. Zoe, come. Zoe. Hey, she's gonna come. Come here. Come here. Down, Alex. You guys stay. Nikki. Good girl. Alex. Good boy. Zoe. Zoe, come over here. Zoe, hey, you stay. You stay over there. Zoe. Come on. Come here. Come on. Zoe. Come on. Come on. Sit. Oh, good. She just learned how to sit. And Nikki is still in her down. What a beautiful, beautiful girl. Good girl. Alex, that's a good sit. Oh, and a nice down. You decided that it's a good idea. Here. Zoe? Oh, you just found your kibble, did you? Zoe, sit. Oh, good sit. Very nicely done. Alex? Alex, can you speak? Very nice. Nick? Speak. Down. Good. Beautiful. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Zoe? Very nice sit. Zoe's our rescue dog, and she doesn't know down yet, but she's doing a good job. And can you tell everybody that it's Christmas? Yes, it's Christmas, and here's all our 3 dogs. And today is the 22nd, I believe, and we're sending this out, wishing everybody a Merry Christmas. Everybody just had baths and haircuts today, looking very dapper, very nice. So, a little Christmas sparkle. A little remembrance of those gone by. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.